Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this really cute popsicle garland made out of pool noodles from the Dollar Tree. Stay tuned and I will show you how to do it. Alrighty, y'all, let us get started. So the first thing that you are going to need is a pool noodle, or 2 or 3 or 4. I have 4 different colors over here. I have purple, red, sort of like a lime green, and a blue. You know, you use whatever colors you want. I just grabbed these from the Dollar Tree and I just got one of each color that they had. You're also going to need a package of these jumbo crafting sticks. Now, you know, Dollar Tree does carry these. Mine happen to be out. Of course, they're always out of something when I go looking specifically for something. But you can get these at Walmart. They're usually over like with the kids' crafts. And I got these at Joann's over with the kid crafts. You're going to need a ruler, something to cut the pool noodle. I'm going to use this old knife. And you're going to need a string of some sort. I just have this twine. I buy handfuls of these things, just good cook twine. I like this because it's white. It's a light color. Well, sort of like a tannish white color. I don't know. You use whatever you want to use. But I use this like when I'm tying up a roast or something. So I have a lot of those. A low temp glue gun. Because these pool noodles, especially the ones from the Dollar Tree, they're a little porous. And the high temp glue guns will burn a hole right through these suckers, okay? So this is a low temp gun with my Gorilla Glue sticks that has some scissors, and I believe that's all that we're gonna need. Anyway, oh, a ruler, something with which to measure, whatever you wanna use. So let's get this baby right here. And I'm not exactly sure how long I wanna cut these. You know what? 6 inches looks okay. So what I'm just gonna do is I'm just gonna make a mark right there. Ooh, ASMR. I'm just going to cut my pool noodle just like that. These cut fairly easily too. You don't have to put a lot of pressure behind them at all. All right, so let me see. I'm just going to measure a second one here. These don't have to be perfect. You know, just try to get them as close to size as each other as you can. Yeah, so I think I'm just going to go with 6 inches. Okay. And then what we're going to do is we're going to glue the 2 of these together. Just like that. And that's going to make like your popsicle. So I think that my glue gun here is hot enough. So I'm just going to put a line of glue. There we go. And then just stick the little darlings together. Now I'm going to have to hold these together until the glue sets up, cools, whatever you want to call it. You know, if you have a rubber band handy, you can wrap a rubber band around it. You know, if you're in a hurry. I'm not in a hurry. I don't have anything to do today. Thank goodness. I'm kind of taking it easy today. But I'm going to let this glue set up. And then I'm going to come back and I'll show you what we're going to do with these. I call them popsicle sticks. What we're going to do with these craft sticks. Hold on. Okay, I think the glue... Ooh, eyeballs. I think the glue is pretty much set up now. So what you're going to do with the craft sticks... If I slip up and say popsicle sticks, it's okay. What you're going to do is you're just going to glue them inside the pool noodle like that. And that's going to be, you know, like with the popsicle, the holder thingies. The literal popsicle sticks. I'm just putting a blob of hot glue in there. And then you're just going to hold it down inside. Try to keep it level so that, you know, if you're looking at it dead on like this, that your stick is not twisted to the side or anything. So we're just going to hold that down like that. And then we're just going to do the same. And I know this is going to flop down because the glue has not set up. But we're going to do actually we're going to get out another glue stick here. We're going to do the same thing with a second one. There we go. And try to make sure that they are somewhat level with each other. Let's see. That looks pretty good. What y'all think? Yeah, I think that's level. It looks a little bit better in person than it does on camera. I can see it a little bit better here. But yeah, that's looking pretty good. So now you're just going to hold this in place. You know, if you have a... clothespin, you can clip it with a clothespin. So I'm just going to hold this in place until the glue sets up. And then actually off camera, I'm going to go ahead and make a handful of these so that we can go ahead and put the string on. So I will be right back. Okay, so I have a handful of my popsicles made here. Now if you want to, you can take your scissors, a knife, you know, razor blade, whatever, you know, and you can round off the tops, angle this just a little bit if you want. But you know, back in elementary school, we used to get these. I mean, the ones that we had were like straight up, you know, they weren't rounded. So for nostalgia's sake, I'm not going to be doing that to mine. All right, so now we're going to glue on the twine to make the actual garland. Now, if you take a look here, you see how we glued in our sticks. If you look at it from one angle, it looks like more three-dimensional, like this is really sticking out at you. And then if you turn it over, it looks flatter, you see, because the stick is like right here on this side. You know, have them all facing the same way when you glue your twine on, okay? Just try to be mindful of that. So I want mine with the sticky outy part, you know what I'm saying, facing me. So I'm going to put that part down, and then we're just going to hot glue on some of this twine. And you want to leave a good amount over here, you know, so that you can tie it to a hook or whatever you want to tie it to. Oopsie. And then I'm just going to put like a blob right here and a blob right here. And just hold the twine down and let the glue set up. Just kind of roll it around in the glue a little bit to saturate the twine, so it's kind of like not just sitting on top of the glue. Let's see. There we go. Let me get another one of these and just kind of try to pile up the glue a little bit on top of it. There we go. You see, because this is low temp, it kind of sets up rather quickly. Okay, and then I'm going to glue more to the other ones, and that's basically all there is. Now, I want to point something out right quick. Someone made a comment on a previous video where the actual video itself was only like 6 or 7 minutes long. And then for a few minutes after that, I had like a little screensaver thing that said, please subscribe. Now, with YouTube, you cannot monetize a video that is fewer than 10 minutes long. So if I would have left off that little screensaver thing at the end, I basically would have made the video and posted it, you know, and not made any money off of it. And because YouTube is my income, it is my main income, I do sometimes put those little screensaver thingies at the end to stretch the video out to make the bare minimum 10-minute mark, okay? So I don't like to work for free. I don't expect anybody to work for free. So that's why I do that sometimes. All right, so now we're going to, depending on where you're hanging this, you know, as to how far apart and how much twine you need between these. Oh, there's my ruler. I'm just going to measure and try to, you know what, let's lay this down. I know this is kind of hard because I'm looking at it from an angle. Let's just stick with the 6 inches, okay? I'm going to say just to keep them 6 inches apart. You know, and then glue on more of your twine. All right, so now let's get this back to the edge here. And we'll put this one right at the 6-inch mark. And then just glue more twine. Okay, like that. There we go. I'm trying to keep it as even as possible. So this would be really cute for like a kid's birthday party or like an outdoor summer party. Now, if you live in a really, really hot climate, you know, you may want to reinforce this with some other kind of glue. But, yeah, it should be just fine. So anyway, I'm going to glue more twine onto the other ones, and then I'll string it out a little bit. String it out. It's not going to be strung out. I will lay it down, and I'll have a photo at the end. All right, so if you would, please give this video a thumbs up. Click subscribe. Check me out on other forms of social media. The links to all of which will be in the description box down below. And I hope to see y'all next time. Bye.